To enable reading mode in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down until we find the display and touch options, and then you can scroll down and look for the color comfort filters, pardon me. There's a comfort view that you can activate or deactivate. When it's active, you can also turn on and off dynamic options for it. When dynamic options are off, you can change the intensity for the yellowish tone. So this kind of looks like a reading mode already. As you can see, the yellowish tone is quite heavy. You can also go for a nightlight if you prefer more intense yellowish color, and you can also change intensity for it. Additionally, with that, I can show you how to activate the black and white colors. So let me actually go back and turn off the filters, and here we can go to the modes, go to do not disturb mode, and then inside we can go for display settings and activate the grayscale. When grayscale is active, you can go back and turn on your do not disturb mode, and while we're in do not disturb mode, we have a black and white colors. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.